Talk about a brand with momentum. Genesis is on fire, continuing to grow its electric lineup, and this here is the luxury brand's third EV, the Electrified GV70, a small SUV that does nearly everything right.
When I first drove the GV70 a couple of years ago, it immediately made an impression as one of the most desirable SUVs on the market, with inspired performance and extravagant yet elegant styling, but abysmal gas mileage. Now, Genesis offers up a GV70 with dual electric motors and no engine at all. This electrified GV70, with its 77 kilowatt-hour battery, averages 236 miles when fully charged, driving all four wheels with up to 516 pound-feet of torque and a quick 10-second boost of 483 horsepower, 429 horses when left unpressed. Those numbers far exceed the output of the already quick gas model, assuredly managing the Electrified's added 500 pounds while creating even greater urgency, reducing its 0 to 60 time to under 4 seconds. That's exceptional. The other area in which you want your EV to be fast, of course, is in charging. And the GV70 has that covered as well, with the ability to boost its intake to 800 volts, resulting in a hyper-fast recharge time of only 18 minutes. Take advantage of the excellent Genesis Home offerings, such as chargers, solar panels, and battery backups, much like I did with Hyundai Home and my Kona Electric, and a level 2 plug takes a mere 7 hours. Connect before bed, and the GV70 will be fully charged when you awake. The charge port is in the preferred front location too, making the process of charging that much easier. And when traveling, owners can take advantage of 3 years of complimentary charging sessions at Electrify America stations, which, thanks to the latest map update, are automatically integrated with navigation instructions, so you'll know when and where you need to stop when voyaging beyond the GV70's range.
From hyper-fast charging in under 20 minutes, to this gorgeous interior, to this boost mode which provides 10 seconds of 483 horsepower fun, the GV70 possesses all of the best attributes of an EV experience. And it has all of the goodies we've come to expect from parent company Hyundai, such as the remote-controlled smart park assist, the adapter which allows you to use the vehicle as an electrical source to plug in small appliances or even recharge another EV, and the soothing sounds of nature feature. The 236-mile driving range, a little short. The lack of wireless phone projection, inexcusable. But otherwise, this GV70 has it going on. And it delivers all of this for about $75,000.
That includes the $6,800 Prestige package with these soft Napa leather seats, the wild-looking 3D instrument cluster, an equally impressive head-up display, the immersive 15-speaker Lexicon surround sound system, the cabin quieting active noise control, a heated steering wheel, heated second-row seats, and rear sunshades, among other niceties. Though it looks spectacular, I'd worry about keeping this gorgeous glacier white interior clean, but black is also available. Unfortunately, the exterior color palette is comprised of only 4 black or gray options, with none of the exciting paint choices available on the non-electrified GV70. So this one looks a little boring, and God forbid you live in a state that requires a front license plate, because there is no good place for one here. Built down in Alabama, MSRP is $74,350, including 3 years of complimentary maintenance and a 10-year, 100,000-mile electric vehicle system warranty. Availability is currently limited to about half of the United States, but it seems as though Genesis is adding more and more areas quite frequently. Now, I'm not particularly impressed with the road preview component of the electronically controlled suspension, as the ride on these 20-inch EV-compatible Michelins can feel stiff over undulating pavement. But in sport or boost mode, the GV70 adeptly manages its body and lets it rip with a distinctly athletic demeanor, accompanied by sounds of your choice, or none if you prefer. It is fun. And I like the smart regenerative braking that takes into account numerous factors to smartly harness deceleration energy, while the I-pedal setting does a great job of one-pedal driving. Big on features with excellent tech, minus the required USB cable for smartphone projection, Genesis does not skimp on things like massaging front seats, ambient lighting choices, logo projection, a 3D 360-degree camera, phone as a key, and connected services that can be accessed via the app. The safety features are robust as well, with highway driving assist and every kind of collision avoidance trick in the book, but there's no hands-free driving, such as with Nissan's ProPilot 2.0 or GM's Super Cruise. And though this is considered a small SUV, the sizing feels perfect. It's not too big nor too small, with cargo and passenger dimensions right in the sweet spot, and up front there's even a small storage area above the control systems. When compared with the GV70 V6, this electrified model will save its owners a boatload of money on fuel costs while amping up performance for only $7,500 more, not to mention the inherent savings on routine maintenance, and it can tow the same 3,500 pounds. So this is a no-brainer and a big winner in the luxury electric SUV segment, if you can find one. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.